Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's kitchen. So today recipe is a tiffin recipe. This is instant dosa. With just two main ingredients, we will be doing our lovely instant dosa. The ingredients required to do our instant dosa is of course the yogurt, 1 cup, which is 200 grams, rice flour 200 grams and cumin seeds. So these are the ingredients required to do our instant dosa. So let us get into the recipe. To do our instant dosa is I am adding the 1 cup of rice flour into a bowl, followed with that the required amount of salt, along with salt a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Then we will be adding 200 grams of thick yogurt. Now we need to mix it well by adding little water. The consistency you can find our rice flour and yogurt is nicely mixed. It is so very soft. So now we can make our instant dosa. Once the tawa is ready in medium flame, we can start spreading our instant dosa. Here goes our instant and lovely dosa, which is very soft and spongy. So please do try this recipe. Whenever we are running short of time, we can just try this instant dosa, which has come out very crispy and nice. So please do try this recipe. Watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking. Stay safe. Bye-bye.